Hey friends, if you wish to fix availability status available on this device error on OneDrive, then please watch this video. Now this has just one solution, and that is to sync OneDrive. Why do I say this? Because if OneDrive is not synced on your system, then this is the error you get. Click on OneDrive option here. Click on this thing. There's a sync issue in OneDrive. Okay, and if you're able to sync it, it's okay. In my case, the personal vault is not synced, so it's okay. Click on the option here and then click on quit OneDrive, quit it, and then search for OneDrive in the Windows search bar and then open it once again. When you open it, it will start syncing. Okay, and let it sync, so it needs a while for that. Now you will see that it has fixed the error. In my case, it was with the personal vault, so I don't mind it, but this is the main solution. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.